When it comes to bad luck, there are few superstitions in Western society as prevalent as Black Friday. For some reason, no one has fully explained why Friday has become almost synonymous with bad luck. In Pakistan, that's not the case. For millions of Muslims in the country, Friday is a day of congregational prayer and a holiday. But for one Pakistani leader, Friday always seems to bring bad luck. I'm talking about Pakistan's former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, who has been living in exile in London since 2019. In order to avoid or evade the courts of the country, if it's Friday, he is in trouble, from exposés to convictions to disqualifications. Bad news searches for him on Fridays, and we will delve into specific examples in just a bit. First, you must know what happened to him today. Today is a Friday. The Supreme Court of Pakistan dealt a major blow to his dreams of returning to Pakistan, of standing in the coming elections, of even becoming the Prime Minister of the country once again. Today, the Supreme Court of Pakistan struck down a law designed to modify the review process of its judgments, which would have permitted Nawaz Sharif to evade the long arm of the law. And now, chances of Nawaz Sharif's smooth return to political life in Pakistan have been devastated. In May this year, the Pakistan government, led by Nawaz's brother, Shehbaz Sharif, had enacted a law to provide the right to appeal against convictions. The ultimate beneficiary of this law would have been Nawaz Sharif. In 2017, he was disqualified from the Prime Minister's post by a 5-member bench of Pakistan's apex court over corruption. And at that time, he could not file an appeal as there was no law to challenge the judgment of the Supreme Court. Cut to 2023. His brother decided to help him. His party changed the old law to help Nawaz Sharif, claiming that if the change was aimed at strengthening Pakistan's Supreme Court. Too bad, the Supreme Court does not think so. In a unanimous verdict, in fact, it struck down the law, calling it ultra-vires to the Constitution. It added that such a law is beyond the legislative competence of Pakistan's parliament. And so the curse of Friday struck once again. You see, this setback, like most of Nawaz Sharif's previous setbacks, came on a Friday. On Friday, the 28th July 2017, Nawaz Sharif was disqualified in what is known as the Panama judgment. Again, on a Friday, the 6th of July 2018, Nawaz Sharif was convicted for corruption by the National Accountability Bureau of Pakistan. Again on a Friday, the 13th of July 2018, Nawaz Sharif, along with his daughter, was arrested immediately upon their return to Pakistan. No prizes for guessing that of all the Fridays, a Friday the 13th is the worst. Interestingly, for Nawaz Sharif's arch-enemy Imran Khan, Friday has been good. Not only did it hit his enemy, but on at least one occasion brought him good news. It was on a Friday in the year 2017 that Pakistan's top court declared him Sadiq and Amin, truthful and honest, after Imran Khan had been accused of corruption in the purchase of land for his Banigala home. The fact is that in real life, superstition is not all that mysterious. This Friday, which is today, Imran Khan was given a parting gift by Pakistan's Chief Justice, Umar Ata Bandial. You see, it was Bandial who presided over the 3-judge bench which gave its verdict on the judgment review law. And this Supreme Court Chief Justice, who is believed to be close to Imran Khan, has also ensured that any appeal against his decision today will also come to his court before his term ends. He has kept the window of appeal open. He's kept the window of appeal open till only the 11th of September. Chief Justice Umar Ata Bandial retires on the 15th of September. So if the Pakistan government were to challenge this verdict, the decision will again ultimately depend on Bandial. But they all might not have been able to prevent Imran Khan from going to jail, convicted of corruption in the sale of precious gifts from foreign governments taken when Imran Khan was the Prime Minister. But he has certainly prevented Nawaz Sharif from replacing Imran Khan. Revenge is a dish, they say, is best eaten cold. Ice-cold revenge is clearly the most powerful factor in Pakistan's hybrid polity revenge. While the rich and the powerful play games of vengeance, the poor and the forgotten suffer. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the updates on the move.